this, we are going to see how we can add in contact into MailerLite. So the first thing, or let me just say the foundational thing, or the foundational feature of every email marketing software out there is the contact. The contact is the one carrying the whole of the email marketing software. Is if there is no contact or if there is no leads, there is no email marketing. And that is why if you come over to subscribers, you are going to see all of your subscribers in here. And as you can see, we only have one subscriber, which is me, and this is my email. And you can also decide to create new subscribers. So when you want to create new subscribers, all you need to do is just to click on add subscribers, and it is going to take you to this place where you can add new subscribers. And as you can see, you can decide to import subscribers if you want. You can decide to copy and paste from an Excel file. You can also decide to add just one single subscriber, and you can also decide to import from Mailchimp. You can import using API also. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to be seeing how to add a single subscriber, and we're also going to see how to add from a file. So if you want to add in a new subscriber, you can just add in the email, you can add in the name, you can ask it to show you more fields, and you can add all of these details. Now you can decide to add to a group, and a group is just going to allow you to be able to add different subscribers into like a container. So you can name the container and name them maybe website link. So the group is just like, let's just say it's a tag or is a list. Yeah, a list is better. So it's a list, and a list, just the group just allows you to be able to group different subscribers into one container. It is possible that you have two different contacts in two different groups. That is actually very possible. So when we go back over to subscribers, that is how to add a new subscriber. You can add that and just click on save. And also we have segments, and for segments you can be able to filter different subscribers that you currently have in your account. So before we move on, actually let's see how to import subscribers, so we can see how to do segments, groups, and all of this. So when we click on add subscribers over here, it is going to take you here where you can import a file, and I have this dummy list over here. I am going to bring them in. I am going to download this, but before I download this, I need to make sure that all of these fields that are currently in this file are currently in MailerLite. So that means if I'm going to be importing this contact into MailerLite, I have to make sure that we have the lead source, that we have the lead status, that the city is available, the state, and the country field is available. And to add a new subscriber, you just need to click on add subscriber, and we are going to add a single subscriber for now. So when you click on the single subscriber, it is going to show you all of these fields that are available, and you can click on show more fields. And when you click on show more fields, you can put in the email, you can put in the name of the subscriber. So let's say this is Emma Test, and the last name, and also we have the company, so we can add in the company here, and we can say that the company is CRM instructors, or CRM guru. Okay, so we can add in the country, and we can add in the city and the zip. So let's just add this, and the country is Nigeria, we have the zip. So we can decide I want to add to a group if we want, but since we have not created any group, we cannot see any group for it now. So let's just add the subscriber without adding to the group. So we just click on add subscriber over here, and when you click on add subscriber, as you can see, that subscriber has been saved. And when we come back over to subscribers, we are going to see that we are going to be having a new subscriber in MailerLite, and now it has moved from 1 to 2, and this is the second subscriber we just created. So the next one, we have segments, and segment just allows us to be able to group subscribers into different containers by using different filters. So for instance, we can see all of the people that we have sent emails in the past 1 year. We can see people that we have sent emails maybe in the past 3 months, or if we can also see people that have opened our email in the past 1 month, or people that came through a form. So that is what a segment is used for. And we have the group. The group just allows us to be able to name different subscribers and just name them in a particular place. So a group is also known as a list. It does not filter, it just allows you to be able to create a container, and you can put different subscribers into that container. So if you're watching this and you're thinking this is actually very helpful, but you are thinking that you need a lot more help than this, yeah, you are in the right spot. You can book a free discovery call with the link in the description below, and we are going to help you with whatever you need with your MailerLite account. So whether it is you auditing your MailerLite account, or you developing an email strategy for your business, or email optimization for your business, whatever it is you need or whatever help you need in your MailerLite account, we are going to help you with that. So all you need to do is just to click on the link in the description below, and you can book your free discovery call. And also, do not forget to like this video and also share with everyone who you think might need this video, and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we post an amazing content like this. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.